what is up? So last video I said I was gonna cut like the day in half, and then what had happened was literally nothing happened after that. But I got home and I cleaned up my garage today and I left and I went to Gabe's, and then my mom texts me and says,
oh, hi there.
my mom texts me and says, you got a really big package.
That's a big boy.
Which is that? Would you like to stand next to it for comparison?
Oh, how tall it is? Well, I'm short as hell. I'm only like 6'3", so.
What do you guys think it is? I mean, you're gonna find out, but what do you think it is? Yeah. Screaming children. There's Savannah!
Oh, they don't know what it is.
We're doing some stuff with her truck too. No, I haven't told them.
Ooh, I'm excited.
Yeah. Gabe already, as you can see, he already opened it. He was...
Yeah, well, okay, when I see package, I have to open the package so we can know what's inside the package. Just open it up. Okay, come on.
I flipped it over. And then... plastic! Woo! So exciting. Is it all in one bag? Yeah. Oh no, it's all like, they're separate. It's fenders!
Okay.
Cause if you guys don't remember, my front one came off while I was driving. I was literally on the highway and I just heard a big noise and saw my fender flying in the wind. So, time for some new ones.
Not the front, that's the back.
Gabe's mad because...
I'm not mad, I'm just saying when I...
He's angry.
No, I'm not.
He's a quab.
I like gloss black.
He is angry.
He wanted them to be gloss black, but he sent me the link to textured.
Look at that face. That's the face of disappointment.
I am disappointed. I was anticipating gloss black.
Okay, now we have to take off the rest of my fender. Weep, 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 weep.
Is it working?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
We were using this for funsies, but, you know. You're close.
Here, you do that while I hammer.
Okay. Okay, we got that one. And let's see, how many more? We have 1, 2, 3 more. So, math. Now I'm just, yeah, peeling it off, I guess. Probably a professional way to do it. But, this is Yak Attack Shop. I don't want to hear about it from you guys. So, explain to the people what you are doing.
Well, these have like these little bolts that look like rivets. They go on the outside, so you'll see. So it looks like it's bolted into the fender, but really it's not. It's just for show. But
Yep.
it makes it look pretty cool. I am kind of digging these. It's gonna look like a truck, unless of like a truck, you know.
This is the truck without the fenders. Nice. I prefer fenders, and kind of need them. Truck's illegal, but fenders make it a little bit better.
We find out screw.
So we've discovered a problem while putting this trim or whatever.
There's supposed to be like a kind of like a sticky film inside to like so it actually doesn't fall off. But
yeah,
it didn't come with that, so
it's kind of not staying very well.
we're hoping. Well, once it's pressed up against the truck, I think it's gonna stay and probably not gonna fall off.
Yeah.
But I think
Yeah.
I'm thinking maybe at both the ends we could put like a dab of glue of some sort.
Yeah, we'll figure it out, but just letting you guys know. having a difficulty. It keeps doing that.
Cut this.
Well. Yeah, it's not staying. Yeah,
Well, I'm gonna just go on here.
that one's really pissing us off.
Fell off.
This one's held up
Kinda.
for now. Difficulties?
Huh?
Difficulties?
Yeah.
Weep. And get some super glue because it is literally just not staying. Alright, it's getting dark, so we'll catch you guys in the morning.
When it's all done.
Yep, we have to go to Home Depot.
Wait, cue the edit.
Okay, we're at Home Depot. And you can put... Oh my god, I don't even know. You can like see what's in your fridge without even opening it. So instead of like opening it and standing there for like 5 hours,
What?
it's just in there. And
Why?
recipes or family.
What?
This is the color I want my truck to be.
Can you watch YouTube on your fridge?
No way.
You can mirror your TV. Play music.
We need it. How much is it?
2200.
That's nice.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Okay.
Why is this one $3
Yeah,
grand?
this one's more expensive. For
The
one.
fuck, you get a TV with this one.
And it's the 2020 fridge.
Look at this color. This is what I like. This color.
Oh, yeah. Nice, nice, nice. Lemongrass.
Yo.
I like it too. You need a new dryer, actually.
High quality washing machine.
Yeah.
I checked.
Gabe is washing my truck. Attempting. Lately, just these washes have not really been doing much for our vehicles. I have to fix this, sorry. Yeah, we're gonna wash it and then we're gonna film an edit and then you guys are gonna see the edit. So this is what it looks like with the fenders on. Gabe is editing. What?
Cuts off when I put you in it, so I'm not in it today.
You're in it. I'm okay with it being textured. Gabe wasn't really too happy about that, but yeah, he likes it now. I think they look nice. We ended up going and getting self-tappers last night for some extra support. But yeah, fairly easy to put them on. As long as you have somebody with a flashlight if you're doing it at night, and somebody to hold it for you. It was not that bad. I'll show you up close. Wow. Looks pretty snazzy. Gabe said it gives it a beefier look. Truck.
I need some boggers.
Oh my god. Do you guys think I should get boggers? I don't know.
Going to say you need
I know they're going to say yes because everybody, boggers is like a universal thing. I'll do it if
video gets 1,000 likes.
yeah, my video gets 1,000 likes, I'll put boggers on the truck. Okay, bye. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna end off the video here. There's nothing much to, it's just fenders, but I think it adds a lot to the truck. It makes it look a little bit beefier. I like them a lot. But yeah, stay tuned for my next video. Today we're gonna go do some stuff to Savannah's truck, the Chevy, if you haven't seen the last video. And yeah, that's all. Weep weep.